Quasi. Hey, buddy. What you doing, Quasi? See how he's got 2 combs on his head? Double comb. That hump on his back. I don't know if y'all can tell by the way he's walking or not. Looks like he's crooked. His left back is like up high. Hey, buddy. I'm trying to show him that you're crooked. And why we call you Quasi. You see that? Yeah. That like hump. It's hard to see because he's black. I know. It's always because he's black. You see that like slanting? And how his tail's off to the side? Yeah. He's Quasi. That's my baby. What are you doing, baby? They messing with you too much. That's right, Quasi. That's his brother.